So this is a new prefabricated, custom fit post-op dressing for a below-the-knee amputee. This can be put on immediately after amputation in the patient's bed, and I'll show you how it works. It's made up of several parts. This can be applied directly over the patient's wound care dressings and ACE wraps. It's just an overlap. Let the Velcro. Tighten up the supracondylar strap so that it helps it from migrating up or down. The side struts have a rigid, semi-flexible piece of polyethylene in them, which help to keep the patient's leg fully extended. Distal end cap comes in different sizes, fits on the end of the residual limb, and then an end cap is brought up. For nursing or physical therapy surgeons, it's easy to inspect the limb once it's all applied. Just undo the strap, undo just the front Velcros, and we can fully expose the patient's limb for inspection or dressing changes. It does come in an above knee application also. So this would be worn directly post-operative until their sutures are removed. Then they can transition to a shrinker instead of an ACE wrap, and they would use this protective dressing all the way up until the time that they're fitted with their prosthesis, just to make sure that there's no injury to the incision site.